All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I've been using the Pitaka MagEZ Case Pro for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And this case right here will set you back 65 bucks. But I can guarantee you that this will be one that you really enjoy. Now, it's also available for the smaller version, the 6.1-inch Pro as well, and the 13 with the 6.1 and the Mini. So I have a link down below to where you can grab either one of those if you'd like to. But this is it for the 13 Pro Max. And the case itself is absolutely fantastic, man. That armored material on here, just like the ultra thin versions, this is what you're looking at. You just get a full blown case, as you can see. It's no longer that ultra thin. It's still a pretty tough case though overall. As you can see here on this side, you got the power button cut out. On this side, you got the volume rocker and vibrate and mute switch. On the top, nothing. On the bottom, you have the cutout and ports for all your speaker, mic, and charge and sync. So on the inside, you can see this is an official MagEZ compatible or MagSafe compatible case because it actually has it built into the case. Now this area right here is a soft touch matte feel, and it's got embroidered here the Pitaka, and it's just got the entire cutout for it there built into the case. So this will be really good. Now the case itself, around the camera bump, you're going to realize that it's raised a little bit to actually protect the camera, and I think this is just a huge plus. On the back here on the bottom, you'll see the Pitaka branding logo right there, and that is it. So let's pop the phone on, and then I'll demonstrate how this MagEZ system works with some MagSafe products. So they do have their own MagEZ system, but I keep those in the car and I don't want to go out in the car. So I have another brand here, but it's still the same concept of the MagEZ system, and really we just want to demo the case itself. So with the case being on the phone though, right here, you can see how it's going to look. It's very comfortable, man. I mean, I am talking about this is comfortable. It is really, really nice. And I can truly appreciate how this case feels in the hand. It's a little soft to the touch, but I think you'll get used to it once you decide to put this case on. I do have a tempered glass on here, and then it is case friendly as well. They have it to where it's enough out to where you can use not only just their system, but other systems too. So make sure you have a tempered glass. It's going to be a case friendly tempered glass. So let's pop on a MagSafe type product. And this is from Syndox. And it attaches strong. This is how you know when you have a very good system here, where the thing is stuck on there, like it is on there. Like you got to take a really big yank to get it off. Yeah, that works. So let's try another product here. This is a battery pack from the same company. It attaches on. It is very strong on there. You can see, and it starts to charge. So it attaches really well, man. This is really nice, and I think you'll really like this case. So if you're a person that wants to buy Apple MagSafe products, this case is fully compatible with it, man. So this is just a demonstration though that and this battery pack actually is just as good, if not better, than the Apple version. But let's pop this off, and there it is, man. This is the Pitaka MagEZ Pro series case. This is one that I think I recommend of them all, folks. I really like this one, and I think you'll really like this one too if you decide to pick this one up. And some people are going to say, whoa, that thing is 65 bucks. But for me, that doesn't matter because I normally buy OtterBoxes anyway, and they cost $60, $59. So $5 more, you get a more subtle case, and then you get a sleek case that's officially MagSafe compatible, and it's just a really good look, man. It works with wireless charging as well too. So yeah, let's pop it back on. That really fires on. It sticks on there really good, man. Like for real. It's really nice. One tap on the power button on this one, and then you get a charge going. But there it is, man. The beautiful case from Pitaka, man. I'll have a link down below so you can grab this. Take care.